We're finna drag this out. This is where she come out of. How long have we been sitting doing?
15 years, man.
Me and you and Daddy went and picked this truck up.
We got that thing right out of Jackson. You know, right there off 25.
Yep.
Down there. I know it when I see it. But
we bought that truck.
The old man had all these parts trucks out.
It was after Katrina came through.
Yeah, it's when that thing fell.
Yeah, and we needed a door for Henry.
And he said he'd take $500 for it back then. I paid him $500 for it back then.
That's crazy.
Shoot, that's
and
a lot
I don't
of parts,
think the motor was even locked up at the time, was it?
It wasn't.
It probably ain't locked up now.
He probably put some Mr. Marvel over it.
Yeah.
Probably rolled. You ain't gonna do nothing with the motor, are you?
Probably put on the S10, put LS in it.
I'm talking about that 600.
Nah, probably not. We can.
You got sun just now?
B, Walsh. Oh, shoot.
I can get it around and fix the back. You can look like this stuff.
I probably could there and get that box blade behind it and just put that bumper on it. But I don't mind dragging it like it is. We ain't going quarter mile.
Yeah, go on with it. That's up to you.
Were they inside the truck, Tater?
What, the bar?
On the bottom.
You gonna be all right to drive it back?
You ain't allergic to them, are you, babe?
We'll know in a minute.
Yeah. Ain't got no EpiPens, man. I'd have to go find one.
All right, well, let's see about dragging her back. We're just gonna park it under that oak tree down there.
It won't need steering.
Yeah. All right. These back tires won't keep no wind in them. They keep leaking down. We've only moved it a few feet. This truck was last ran in 1969, according to the tag, if you can read that. Mississippi. The bumper bracket broke. No telling what's under there. This truck was last ran in 69. That's where she's gonna sit for a little while. We got her pulled back to the shop. No clue what we're gonna do with it yet. But we're certainly not gonna scrap it. It's got too many good pieces on it. And honestly, the truck's not terribly bad. It needs what all of them needs. The cab corners and a few rust repair places. Those front dog legs always go. The cab corners always go. But it can certainly be fixed. And overall, it's a pretty straight old Chevy. But they're getting harder and harder to find in any condition. That's a good thumbnail right there. We'll keep you updated with what we do to her. Thanks for watching. Postscript. Let's give me some feedback on what you think we'll do with it. Should we leave it as is and shoot a flat clear over it, do a new chrome grill? We'll end up doing a 350 with a turbo 350 trans, more than likely. Maybe an S10 frame swap and get it down low. But would you paint it shiny, get the bodywork perfect, or would you leave it old and crusty and just put new chrome on it? What do you think? Let me know. Let me know in the comments.